Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. The apt repository contains package for both version and ARM64. Install the GPG key. Select the channel to use. You can use the stable or the version. Update apt source and install Sublime Text. Just in case, if this fails, ensure apt is set up to work with HTTP source. Now you can start work with Sublime Text. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.